Hey everyone, this is a Turkey Gobble #1 wireless car horn. It comes with one remote control. You can purchase additional remotes if you want, but it does come with one remote control. Now we've got this horn facing down because it's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. Easy installation. Your black wire coming from your horn will go to a ground somewhere. It could be a battery, just anywhere you have a ground source. Your red wire coming from your horn will go to a 12-volt power source. Could be a battery, a fuse, anywhere you have a 12-volt power source. So this is a Turkey Gobble #1 wireless car horn.